Hello again. This is a very short one about the MPPT I built like 1 month ago, and the weather was really bad for 2 days. What I'm trying to do today is to connect all my panels. It's more than 1500 watts, 1.5 kilowatt. In fact, to connect it to charge my batteries, because they are pretty depleted. They went down to 11.8 volts after 2 days of dark cloudy sky. And here I have my panels, and so I have the occasion to really test the power of this MPPT. Okay, this is plus and this is minus. Oh yeah, and look there, we are going very nice with 20 amps, 18.8, and I will just let it run for a while. Let's see how many amps do we have from these panels. 18.35. What's nice, but these panels are like 45 volts now, and as you can see, all this energy translation, let's call it, it's running very nice. And of course there is no doubt this should charge with 60 amps. This is just a piece of cake. Okay guys, I'll be back after a few hours to see the situation. Here we are after a few hours. So the battery is fully charged, I hope. It's 14.4 volts. The amps are going down drastically. That means it's topping the battery. And the inverter also, it's working very nice. So this is the house consumption, 8 watts, 9 watts. This is really nice. So my house now, in the middle of the day, it's taking 7 watts. This is wonderful. Okay guys, I want to say finally, if you have the time and if you have the tools and the expertise, you should buy one of these DIY MPPT solar charge controller. It's cheap, it's fun, it's easy to be done. It can be encapsulated in any kind of box, of course with a proper ventilation and heat dissipation too. What I can say, you see up there we have a fan. This one never works, so the temperature will never reach, you know, the critical point or something. Anyway, I hope it's interesting and I hope it's useful. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. I'll be back with some new projects soon. Bye bye.